We're going to talk today about a product that we stock that's a gymnasium cable called EXERFLEXPRO. It's a product manufactured for us by one of our manufacturing partners in America, Loos Co in Connecticut. Now, what's special about this product? Up the middle of it, it's got basically a commercial grade aircraft cord, which is a very high tensile, high fatigue performance, flexible cable. It's a commercial grade, but it's exactly the same construction as a military spec aircraft cable. So you get a lot of strength out of this cable and a lot of fatigue performance. The coating on the cable, the black coating, is a military grade nylon made to a mil spec. It's a Nylon F coating. Now, if you feel a normal nylon coating, they're quite rigid. This coating is very, very flexible. It also feels quite soft, but it's actually got extremely good fatigue performance. So you get superior fatigue performance from the gym cable and enhanced strength. So you're going to get much more life out of this cable than a normal gym cable. So it might seem to be an expensive product when you see it compared like for like with a nylon coated cable, but in service you're going to see considerable long life out of this product. You'll see actually marked along the length of the cable it has EXERFLEXPRO, which is a registered trademark for Loos Co. And we stock this cable in size 3/32, which is 2.3mm cable up the middle, up to a 1/4 inch cable up the middle, which is pretty much equivalent to 6mm diameter. And in between that, there's another couple of sizes. So hopefully you'll see that if you're looking for a professional grade gym cable, this really is the main product on the market to go for, and TECNI in the UK hold good stocks of this product. Thank you for your time.